If we ever find a single blade of grass on Mars, it will be the worst news you have ever heard. It would mean that humanity has no future. By the end of this video, you will understand why the search for alien life is actually a search for our own graveyard. But first, you have to look at the sky. The Milky Way has 400 billion stars. Billions of them have Earth-like planets. By all laws of logic, the galaxy should be screaming with radio signals and alien megastructures. But it is silent, chillingly silent. This is the Fermi Paradox. The most terrifying answer is the Great Filter. It suggests that somewhere between a single cell and a galaxy-spanning empire, there is a wall, a barrier so difficult that almost no species survives it. The question that decides our fate is simple. Where is that wall? If the filter is behind us, we are the lucky ones. Maybe the jump to complex life is so improbable that it only happened here. If that is true, we are the first to win the cosmic lottery. The entire universe is ours to claim, but there is a much darker path. The filter could be ahead of us. Think about our own timeline. We discovered the power of the atom and immediately built weapons to erase cities. We are creating artificial intelligence that could replace us. We are consuming our planet's resources faster than we can find a backup. This is the high-stakes trap. A species gets smart enough to build world-ending technology before it is wise enough to survive it. Every civilization reaches our level, plays with fire, and burns their world to a cinder. This explains the silence. The stars are quiet because everyone else already failed the test. This is why scientists are terrified of finding life on Mars. If we find microbes there, it proves that starting life is easy. If starting life is easy, then the Great Filter cannot be behind us. It must be ahead of us. Finding life on Mars would be a mathematical confirmation that our collapse is coming. It would mean that the silence of the stars isn't an empty void, but a warning of what happens to species that get too smart for their own good. We are currently standing on a razor's edge. We have the power of gods, but the impulse control of children. The next few centuries will determine if we become a multiplanetary species or just another layer of fossilized dust. We are living through the single most dangerous moment in the 4 billion year story of Earth. The silence of the universe is a challenge. Can we be the first to break the cycle and survive the filter? If this deep dive shifted your perspective, smash the like button and subscribe to Mind Sprints for more high-stakes education. Now, tell me in the comments, do you think we are the lucky survivors, or are we driving straight into the wall?